Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today we are unboxing the Cocoa Daisy collection. This is the kit for February and it's called Penelope. And stop it. This collection is a florally garden masterpiece. I saw the little sneaks on social media. I got my kit as a design team member so that I can start playing with everything. And the vibe already. You know, here's the, like me in a 3x4 card right here, babes. And then your little vinyl sticker. So already, you know, I'm in love with this kit. So I get the pocket add-on kit, the journaling kit, the scrapbooking core kit, and inside is my Dory. Let's start off with the Dory so that you can see the colors, the papers, and the vibe of the kit already, and then we'll do each one individually. So, stop. Yes, babes. Yes. If I was a collection, this collection would be me. Beautiful. 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 Classic pink with a repeating pattern. You guys, if I were to love a collection, just some, I'm just in love. I really am. This is beautiful too. Stop it. Stop it. You guys. This kit is beautiful. Stop it. Okay, for the pocket cards, like, oh my goodness. So pretty. Just beautiful. Sorry if you don't like my sound effects. I'm in love. Flawless, my dear. Oh, Queen Charlotte. So I guess maybe that too. Is that, oh no, this is Dahlia. I was going to say, is it a Bridgerton kind of thing? It's just, it is my kind of collection. That's just what it is. If I were to be a collection, this would be me, right? Am I right or am I right? Like, when you know that I'm a floral girl, right? Like, does this not just scream Happy Valentine's Day tie? Like, I could have been the illustrator for this. Like, if I were to draw all my favorite things, that's the card for me. Hopeless Romance. Oh, I love this. I'm sorry I'm gushing over it, you guys. I'm gushing. I am gushing. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, I did too. Oh, there you go. Those are stuck. Beautiful. Beautiful. I am yours. Like, I'm gonna use this whole kit. This kit, I will kill, as they say. Kill a kit. I'm gonna kill this kit. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay. Scrapbooking core kit. We have a roll of washi that is like a vintage paper with a script text on it. We have a piece of pink ribbon. Okay. 3x4 stamp set. Loved, me, adored, smiles, you, real life, and memories. Like, that's a good solid stamp set. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay, here are the first pack of dies. Okay. Second pack, these florals. Oh my God. Yes. Yes. Amazing. I will use every single one of these. The enamel dots. Oh, we got a few light blue doilies. A tiny phrase stickers. Chipboard elements. Hot pink puffy letters. Rub-ons. Gorge. Gorge. 2 pieces of white. And then, you know, we get the papers on repeat. So we have the green, like a minty green. Pattern, gorgeous. Blue on blue, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. I love this. I love this kit. Okay, and last but not least is the journaling kit. So we have a washi tape that is like a navy background with the floral. Amazing. The journaling prompts. Perhaps one did not want to be loved so much as to be understood. And you'll get your journaling prompts. We have 2 additional rub-ons. Pretty, so pretty. And then the stickers. Remember, these stickers are on like the vellum / washi tape. So we have the days of the week and the dates. The sheet, full sheet. The full sheet. Oh my God. Full sheet. The alpha is black. Icons and washi strips. And then icons plus those quotes and washi strips. This collection is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me clear my desk and we will create something with these items. Okay, so let's get creating. This kit is so beautiful. You guys, it's just so beautiful. I'm going to be gushing about it forever. So this is my first project using the kit, and I am cutting up all of the 6x8 papers that were in the scrapbooking core kit. That way I cut out 3-inch squares. This is like a go-to formula for me, but when I love a paper collection so much, I have to show it off and I have to use them all. And so I am going with a classic grid layout to show off all the patterns. And then we are going to, I haven't decided, I think I did print out some selfie moments for this one with my daughter. She had recently completed month number 12 at the Home Depot free workshops, and so this was the one that we did in December, and I printed them in black and white because the colors were very striking with color, and since I wanted the collection to be the standout piece for this, I definitely wanted to make them black and white so that the collection just stands out even more. Just go to my stash and get a piece of 12 by 12 white cardstock from Basil, and then I'm just going to play around with the arrangement. Now for matting my photos, so that means I cut my photos down to probably be like not 3-inch squares, a little bit less, so probably 2.75, so that there was a little bit of a border, and that worked out perfectly. And then it's just arranging it so that I had balance with color, and that blue is very striking, and so I was like, where am I going to keep the title? So I moved things around just a little bit and have the photos on opposite sides, again just for some balance, a title in the middle, and then doing some hand journaling with just a Pilot G2 pen, because I could take the time to do the journaling on clear sticker paper, but I really wanted to tell this story briefly and get this layout in my album. And well, when I finish a layout, this always goes on my wall first, and I have a kind of display wall that has, 12 clips on the wall, and I get to have it out there for, a good month or so, to be shown and to be seen, and so I can stare at the pretty flowers, like the embellishment flowers, like that pack of flowers I had mentioned that were my favorite, the one with the realistic photos. I need like 10 packs of that ephemera. Like I really wish they came with more than just like the 10 flowers, because it's gorgeous. And so it's just me embellishing just a little something in each of the boxes, but that way overall you see the grand colors and the floral scheme of this collection. It's called Penelope. It's gorgeous. It will be, I think it is available now for order. Okay, that will wrap up this 12 by 12 layout. It definitely showcases everything that's in the collection, a little journaling, a little title, a little flower moments, and the dark washi. I don't know if I love it because of it's navy, or is it black? I feel like it's too dark, even though those are dark. Let's just see. Yeah, I don't think I needed those. Okay, that's where we're going to keep it. So very fun. Very fun. The papers are just gorgeous. Chef's kiss on this one, in my opinion. But, you know, that's just because this is like this is my jam. This is my jam. So I will leave this leave this kit linked down below, and stay tuned for a few more projects coming in this month using the Penelope kit from Cocoa Daisy. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, everyone, bye.